Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and humble welcome to the listeners. I'm here will give you hot gist of all the trending issues in Nigeria, Africa, and the world at large. Please do it to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the notification icon so as to be updated whenever I upload new trending content. Well, the Afrima Awards has just ended, and so many persons won. So many musicians went home with smiles on their faces. The Afrima Awards 2021 winners include Wizkid, Ibawon, Fireboy, DML. Big ups to you, Wizkid. Big ups to you, Fireboy, DML. Big ups to all the African musicians who have been doing very well. Well, according to the list, album of the year went to artist of the year, Ibawon, went to Wizkid. African fans' favorite, Fireboy, DML. Best African collaboration, Wizkid. Best artist, duo, or group in Africa pop. Best Ibawon, artist, duo, or group in African R&B and soul. Nikita Kering, best music artist in Africa inspirational music. Shana Manjeru, and song of the year went to Wizkid. Best female artist in Northern Africa. Manal Benchlika. So many artists left the Afrima Award with smiles on their faces. Congratulations to you, Wizkid. Big ups. Keep winning. So far, so good. Wizkid has won so many awards. Well, let me give you a breakdown of some of the awards Wizkid has in his archive. Wizkid has 1 Grammy Award, 3 BET Awards, 4 MOBO Awards, 3 Billboard Music Awards, 2 MTV EMA Awards, 2 Soul Train Awards, 2 iHeartRadio Awards, 2 NAACP Awards, 1 MTV VMA Award, 1 ASCAP Award, 1 Echo Award, 1 Teen Choice Award. He has 5 World Music Awards, 3 American Music Awards, and 2 Break to Do nominations. And we know recently he's been nominated. He has 2 Grammy nominations here for the 2022 we really Grammy Awards. Wizkid will come home with the 2 Grammy Awards he's been nominated for. You know, recently people have been complaining about this Grammy, that what is really their problem? Why is it that there's no Afrobeat category in the Grammys? You know, we have so many categories, South America, I mean, the type of songs they play. Most of us, we don't even listen to them. But these Afrobeat guys are doing very well. Afrobeat is like right now on the world map. It is selling very fast. That's why we see the likes of Burna Boy, Wizkid. I mean, so many Nigerian artists have been doing very well. But there's no Afrobeat awards on the Grammy lists. What's really happening? And we should remember we have 5 Nigerians who have been nominated for the 2022 Grammys. The Nigerian lady on that list is Tems, and she is the only female Nigerian artist who have been nominated for the Grammys. We have Tems, we have Wizkid, we have Burna Boy, and we have father and son, Femi and Maid Kuti. 5 of them have been nominated for the Grammys, and there's no Afrobeat category on the Grammy list. What is really happening? Well, let us move on to singer Davido. Davido has been doing very well, dropping his songs back to back, and people have been complaining that Davido hasn't been nominated or hasn't won a Grammy award yet, or he hasn't won a Grammy award. Doesn't mean he won't win a Grammy award in the nearest future. He's still a young guy. He's upcoming. He's less than 30. He just celebrated his 29th birthday, and I mean, he's still dropping his songs back to back. Recently, he dropped his song, Champion Sound, and the song has been doing numbers. Big ups to you, Davido. And as I said, recently he celebrated his birthday, his 29th birthday, and he did very well. I mean, his friends contributed about 200 million naira, and he added 50 million naira. And after that, Davido now set up a committee that this money should be given to orphans in Nigeria. That's a huge one. Yeah, orphans are the less privileged in our beloved country, Nigeria. That is a huge one. No politician has ever done that. Politicians keep promising, you know, recently during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, they told us they'll be giving us palliatives. We saw warehouses filled with palliative. At the end of the day, people were even looting. What's really happening? But Davido gave people 250 million naira, what no politician has ever done. Isn't that great? Well, see, talking about Davido's birthday, during his birthday, people were waiting for his ex, Chioma, to send him birthday, which is because Davido actually sent her a message on her birthday. And, well, we got a news that finally Chioma sent Davido a message on his birthday. So many fans out there who were waiting to see Chioma's message. I mean, their hearts were relaxed. Because to you, talking about Davido's 29th birthday, so many good things happen around him. From the desk of Daddy Freeze. We all know that Daddy Freeze is a very controversial OAP, yeah, on air personality. According to Daddy Freeze, he said they gave Davido money for Rolls Royce. He gave it to the needy. While pastors receive money through offering meant for the needy, and he quoted Acts chapter 4, verse 32 to 35, and use it to buy Rolls Royce. Yet Davido is worldly, and your pastors are spiritual. I really see reasons for this guy, yeah. Pastors have been buying private jets, living the good life. They will collect tithes. Tithe money is meant for the needy. But do they give the needy this money? But do pastors really take care of the needy, just as Davido did with his 250 million naira? Have you ever seen any pastor contributing, let's say, 100 million naira to the needy? Don't forget to drop a comment on what you think on the comment section below. And still on Davido's birthday celebration for a desk of Obi Kubana. Obi Kubana said, you see what we are talking about. A king will always be a king. We all rise by lifting others. Yeah, those were Davido's words. We rise by lifting others. It's not about how much we have, but having the mind to help when and where we can. Together, we can all make the world a better place. Thank you, King David, for impacting the world positively. Thank you. That came from the desk of Obi. I'm still talking about Davido, his achievements so far. I mean, what he did during his birthday celebration, his 29th birthday celebration, or do I say a few days before his 29th birthday celebration? We have this news that Bats at 69. Tinubu donated noodles and bags of rice to the orphanages. Come on, Tinubu, bags of rice and Indomie, noodles. But Davido at 29, the great musician, donated 251 million to the orphanages. Come 2023, I would prefer to vote for a thinker like Davido as Nigerian president than all Nigerian political professors like Bola Tinubu. Raising 201 million in less than 2 days is legendary. Adding 50 million to it to make 251 in total is absolute philanthropism. Pledging to donate such to the orphanages with the appointment of 5-man committee, including 3 professors, 2 of whom are a university registrar and a librarian, is a pure demonstration of a fully functional brain with capacity to lead a complicated country like Nigeria with a good term. Am I the only one with this reason? According to this guy, according to the person that dropped this message, the person is trying to let us know what he has seen Davido achieve so far at 29. And Bola Tinubu, we know Bola Tinubu as one of the hottest politicians in this country. And at 69, he donated noodles and bags of rice to orphanages. And Davido has donated 250 million. Come on, come on. I mean, the comparison is something else. And according to this guy, I think we need a president like Davido in the country. What do you think about that? Well, since Davido celebrated, but so many politicians have been sending him messages, congratulating him. People like, former Senate President Saraki congratulated Davido, and former Vice President Atiku Abubakar congratulated Davido. And also Akpabi, who is presently the Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, congratulated Davido. And Akpabi advises businessmen and politicians to emulate Davido. This is coming from the desk of politicians right now. Following Davido's donation of 251 million naira to orphanages across the country, the Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Godswill Akpabio, has urged businessmen and politicians to emulate the singer. The former governor of Akwa Ibom, in a Facebook post on Wednesday, November 24, 2021, said he recently played host to Davido and commended him for his philanthropy. After sharing his bank details on social media and asking his friends or fans to send him money, Davido received 200 million in his Wema bank account. Days after, the singer announced all the money he received from his fans and an additional 50 million naira from his pocket would be taken to orphanage. Reacting to this, Akpabio, who shared a picture of himself and Davido on Facebook, said, I recently played host to our music icon and philanthropist, David Deji Adeleke, aka Davido. His attitude toward the less privileged in society made me call on other Nigerians in politics, business, and entertainment sectors to emulate him. I commend him on the 250 million naira humanitarian donations to the less privileged in the society and for joining other like minds in the society to touch and positively affect the lives of the less privileged in our society. I wish him a happy birthday and long life to do more for humanity. Meanwhile, Davido has vowed to ensure that the 250 million he donated to orphanages would get to the children. Yeah, some persons have been complaining. There was a lady that dropped a message that she went to one orphanage home and contributed money during her birthday, and she later discovered that those students she saw were not really orphans and that the funds were diverted. We know that is what has been happening in our beloved country, Nigeria. Terrible things. Politicians, businessmen, they be doing terrible things. But well, congratulations to you, Davido. And you know, since Davido did this, politicians have been coming in around him because 2023 is just by the corner. 2023 is just, yeah, it's just by the corner. And they want to run for politics. So they are now supporting Davido. And when it's time, by 2022, we know they'll start using Davido to, to sing songs for them, to campaign for them. There's one bad thing with power. No matter how much you make, you wouldn't want to leave the seat. We have Senate president, governors, former vice president. They want to become president in 2023. Well, let's see how 2023 goes. But big ups to you, singer Davido. You've achieved a lot. What you did is legendary. 250 million naira. I don't think anybody has raised that amount of money since God created Nigeria, yeah, to donate to the less privileged and orphans in this country. 251 million naira. That is a huge one. Big ups to you, singer Davido. But we know politicians will never emulate you. They'll prefer stealing. They will prefer stealing. Thank you very much for watching the Grace Entertainment. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also like to us to stay updated whenever I upload new content. Take care of you, and please do have a memorable day.